A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for doll, doll. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fan, fan. G is for grass, grass. H is for house, house. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jacket, jacket. K is for kite, kite. L is for lamp, lamp. M is for mango, mango. N is for nurse, nurse. O is for omelette, omelette. P is for pen, pen. Q is for crane, crane. R is for ring, ring. S is for snake, snake. T is for table, table. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for York, York. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now we learn ABCD. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. 20